That's my friend from Peru. Peru. Happy Peru. Big up yourself, Peru. Elvis. Elvis from Peru. Big up Elvis from Peru.
First time in Jamaica.
First time in Jamaica. Enjoy Jamaica. Enjoy Jamaica. You're on the beach. You're on the hot water fountain of St. Thomas. Enjoy the parties and the clubs. Enjoy the bars.
Hello, yeah, enjoy the pussy. Good, pussy. Good pussy. Good.
And the food from the good.
Wait, where you going?
Cheers. Cheers. Boom.
Thank you. Cheers. Come, teach him. Hey. When me a drink, this me a drink. Come big, ready? Whoa, cheers!
body of you don't give a damn. She walk like Shalamaya. Good.
Black.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, good.
Oh, alright.
We're engine one time.
Hector,
Elvis, yeah.
Elvis. Alright.
Yeah.
Cheers, baby.
This is Kingston. Kingston. Yeah, Kingston. This is Grandspen. Hey. Grandspen. This is Grandspen to me. Grandspen. Oh,
How are you, dear?
yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Diego and Jair, how are you, Jair?
How are you, Diego? Diego.
Jair.
Yeah. How are you, Diego?
How are you, Jair?
So what going on? Eh? Welcome fucking man.
Yeah. Now put it in the car. Now if you drink it now, you can just put it in the... Coconut. Oh, you can, yeah, now if you drink it now, you can just put it in the car. Yeah. Enjoy. Son. Coconut. Bob Marley. Am I saying not open today?
She said thing at some people.
What kind of business that? Not opening place for that day like today.
And I open on Sunday. Hector close on Sunday. It close on Sunday. Bob Marley.
How much more there?
No, and the money it don't go open today.
Today open?
No.
No open?
No open today. Yeah, close. Huh?
Close.
Okay, go.
I don't want to say close, man.
So this is Sovereigns for all who don't know. This is a puppy inside Ligani. Look, this more from a Valentine's Day. So that's the elevator right there. It's just, I mean, you can walk, it's just like friggin' like few stairs down. Yeah, so one of them closer. Going down the stairs, guys. If I fall, don't laugh. The S3. Like, I don't know what that is. So let's pull mine and see what's in it. Ah,
Diferente, ¿eh? Rico.
Pero ahora.
El domingo venimos solos.
them fry.
Peligroso, dicen, si la gente se pasea solo. Yo pensé que salía más.
I'm hungry.